You're not lazy, you're not dumb, but you still feel like a loser. You're doing everything you can. You wake up early, you go to the gym, you grind hard, you read books, you meditate, but deep down, nothing is changing. Here's why, guys. You've been sold the lie that more effort, more grind, more work is better. But the truth is, guys, effort without alignment is a trap. You probably wake up early, but you scroll first thing, right? You train, but eat foods that destroy your hormones, probably without even knowing it. You grind, you put in the work, but your vision is blurry. You're probably not 1,000,000% exactly clear about your goals. And no matter what you try, you will never fix the broken foundation. This is what no one tells you, guys. High testosterone sharpens your thoughts. When it's low, guys, everything becomes harder. Your ambition goes down, your confidence dies. And then you start asking yourself, what's wrong with me? And then you spiral into the, shame. The modern world feeds you with things that kill you from the inside out. Blue light, isolation, guys. It makes you believe that if you isolate yourself and you grind hard, that's what champions do. Estrogenic foods, most foods that you eat make you become a woman, literally. And then, guys, let's not forget about the fake dopamine loops. They make you feel like you're doing something, but you don't get anything done. You look back 6 months later, 1 year later, and you're like, what did I do? What did I achieve? Guys, you're not a loser, you're under attack. You're literally under chemical castration attack. If I could give you one single mission today, it would be this. Start collecting wins again, okay? Not these big wins that you try to win, but it takes forever, you just get more frustrated. Start with small wins, and every single day collect more wins. Guys, I'm speaking about private wins, the wins that nobody knows about. Only you will look back and know, I've done these things. That's why I feel like a champion. Guys, waking up without snoozing, speaking the truth even though it doesn't feel easy, okay? Eating steak or eggs instead of junk food. You guys, your potential is so insane. Imagine having your dream body, getting the respect and admiration others would die for, and having the energy and drive that's so high that you're gonna crush it in your career. You live fully, you live free, you're fitter, more attractive and happier than ever before. For the last couple of months, my team and I have been working together to launch one of the most greatest, most helpful men's transformation communities in the entire planet. And you can join this community today for free. Inside the community, I host live calls showing you what the media, the government, society don't want you to know, but you must know. All of our members get direct mentorship where you master the fundamentals of being your greatest version. How to boost testosterone naturally, how to skyrocket your growth hormones, how to lose fat and build more muscle than ever before, how to have the energy and drive that's so high you feel superhuman, how to unleash your masculinity, how to crush it in your dating life, how to achieve the utmost greatness and success as a man in these modern times. For example, we had Theo, who's been working out for 10 years, falling for all the BS out there that's been killing his hormones. He didn't look attractive and neither did he feel like a superhero. In only 90 days, he transformed himself into a man others look up to. Or how about Nick Banks, a multi-millionaire who spent tens of thousands of dollars on hype products and hype coaches who couldn't get him into shape due to his busy schedule. He implemented the secrets that you're about to learn in our community and today even makes more money than ever before. Guys, I can continue with countless of other success stories, but this is about you. You can join the community today for free and write your own success story. Looking your best, feeling your best, and dominating your life isn't about your genetics or your parents or your current situation. It's about your decisions. Our school community is exactly the place you want to be and where you will grow into the man you desire to become. So once again, gentlemen, if you want to join this community today for free, all you have to do is go down to the description of this video and join the Status Alpha University today. I can't wait to see you on the inside of the community. It's gonna be incredible. But that being said, let's go back to the video. And just finishing a workout, guys. Don't go to the gym and be like after 40 minutes, yeah, I've shown up. No, finish it like a warrior. Make yourself proud every single day. That's the key, guys. Collect more wins so you can go to bed every single day looking back and be like, I did it. And then write this down, guys. What are 3 things I will commit to doing every single day for 2 weeks? And then, guys, put it on paper, put it on the wall, and then do it. I'm doing this all the time. I set up my plans, I put it on the wall, and then I tick them off. And I feel like a champion. And the crazy thing is nobody knows about that. I'm the only guy who knows about these plans, who set them up, who follows them. I don't share my wins publicly. Nobody knows I do these things, but I earn my self-respect. This is how you build a man you respect, guys. I know what I'm speaking about because I felt like a loser too. okay? Me also, I had to realize that I don't need more motivation, right? I needed more alignment. I needed higher testosterone. I needed to collect more wins privately for myself. This is the alpha upgrade for today, guys. One habit, one win at a time, and the man that you want to become built every single day. If you're ready to feel absolutely powerful and in charge again, then click the link in the description and book your private consultation. And don't forget, guys, to hit the subscribe button to not miss any more value.